So here we are, the remote control track mower. You know the neat thing about this? The neat thing about this is youngsters like to do the lawn mowing now. Really low center of gravity, so it can do really steep slopes. Don't go straight up them, even sideways. You can get one of these if you want. I'm not stocking them, but I got this and I have a lot of fun with it. And for my steep hills, it works really good. Some people were wondering if this is GPS tracking. No, this is really more for steep hills and up and down. So that's what we use it for. Okay, I don't want to bore you with too much, but yeah, this is a pretty neat tool. And kind of combines gaming with lawn mowing.